In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage deals in HubSpot CRM. We'll start right from the HubSpot home screen and move into the deals area where you can create new deals, assign a deal owner, and keep your pipeline clean by editing or deleting records that don't belong. The goal is to help you understand what you're looking at and why each action matters, so your sales data stays accurate and useful. From the HubSpot homepage, take a second to notice the global navigation across the top and any quick stats on your portal's performance. This is your launchpad for everything sales related. When you're ready, click on Deals. That takes you to the heart of your sales pipeline. Inside Deals, you'll typically see a pipeline view organized by stages like qualified to close, with each card representing a deal. You can switch between a board-style pipeline and a table to analyze details more closely. Filters and search help you narrow in on a specific segment so you can focus on what needs attention today. This is also where you create deals. A deal is simply your record of a potential sale. It's a best practice to capture a clear deal name that reflects the company and opportunity, choose the appropriate pipeline and stage, and add core fields like amount, close date, and expected probability if your setup uses it. Associating the deal with the right contact and company unlocks full visibility across emails, calls, and notes, keeping context in one place. If your team uses custom fields, be consistent with how you fill them out to make reporting reliable. Managing deals happens here too. Assign a deal owner so there's clear accountability and so notifications and tasks go to the right person. Edit deals as information evolves. Update the amount when pricing changes, refine the close date as timelines shift, and keep the stage current to reflect real progress. These small updates make your forecast more trustworthy. If a deal is truly irrelevant or duplicated, you can delete it to keep the pipeline tidy, but be cautious. Deletions remove the record and its history. When in doubt, confirm with your team or follow your company's data policy. As you work, use views and filters to review key segments like deals closing this month or opportunities without an owner. A short weekly sweep to correct owners, stages, and amounts will keep your pipeline accurate and your reports meaningful. That's it. You've moved from home to deals and learned how to create and manage your opportunities with confidence.